President of KSA Ningthausum Chetan said that the future doesn't look so bright looking at the current situation of the education system of the state. Chetan made a statement during the 14th Foundation Day of Kangleipak Students Association at Tombisana High School ground of Khuyathong, Thangwiban today. A day ahead of Uddhav Thackeray's oath-taking as Maharashtra Chief Minister, the Congress has reportedly agreed to give up his claim on the Speaker's post in return for 13 berths, 9 cabinet and 4 state. The possible names during the round for the cabinet berths are Vijay Namdev Rao, Wadetidar Yashomati Thakur, Nana Patole, Varsa Gaikwad, Amin Patel, Ashok Chavan, Amit Deshmukh, Bunty Patel, Bishwajit Kadam, KC Padvi and 4 state ministers. 8-year-old Indian climate activist Lucipriya Kangujam today embarks on a 5-nation visit to Thailand, Spain, Portugal, France and Egypt. She will address the Asian Children's Summit 2019 tomorrow as a special guest in Bangkok, Thailand, being organized from 25th to 30th November on the invitation of SAARC. The Northeast United Football Club is all set to play their 5th match for the 6th edition of Indian Super League 2019-20 against Mumbai City FC later today. The match will be played at Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium in Guwahati from 7:30 p.m. NEUFC head coach Robert Jarni is hopeful that the team will be able to keep up its good performances it has shown till now in ISL this year. As per the ISL standings for the season 2019-20, NEUFC is at 5th position till now. Joining the rest of the country, Nagaland today observes 70th Constitution Day by highlighting the importance of fundamental duties. In a state-level launching program held at Capital Convention Centre, Minister of Justice and Law, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, CM Chang encouraged everyone to observe and uphold the fundamental duties prescribed by the Constitution of India and the aspiration of the founding fathers of democratic India. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today asserted in Lok Sabha that terror incidents in Jammu and Kashmir have come down to almost nil. Singh also said the army, paramilitary forces and the Jammu and Kashmir police have been coordinating to fight terrorism in the state. He was responding to an issue raised by Congress member K. Suresh on the recent killings of a few people in terror incidents. 2 people were killed and 7 injured in blast in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag district on Tuesday. In separate incidents last month, 5 migrant laborers from West Bengal were killed and 2 truck drivers were killed by terrorists. The birth centenary celebration of former trade union leader and also an Indian Hindu ideologue Datopan Thengadi will be held today at the Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. The observance is organized by Datopan Thengadi Birth Centenary Celebration Committee, Manipur. Special Judge POCSO Imphali's Maibam Manoj Kumar yesterday convicted a sexual assaulter under the POCSO Act. The convicted person has been identified as 24 years old Yumnam Naucha of Pukhao Khabam. As per reports, he sexually assaulted a minor in November of 2016. The special bench in the Supreme Court, which was constituted to hear the case related to Assam's National Register of Citizens (NRC), has been dissolved after the retirement of former Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi. A regular bench headed by current CJI S.A. Bobde was scheduled to take up the case yesterday, according to reports. A 41-year-old German tourist was killed on Tuesday in Nadan San state of Myanmar in a landmine explosion. The accident took place when he was hiking in a restricted area in the countryside, reports said. However, an Argentinian woman who was with the victim escaped unhurt. It is believed that he might have triggered a landmine while walking between the villages of Panyang and Konhok.